financing. The adoption of the 65% equal and 35% assessed financial formula is an important step towards equitable contribution and financial stability.
Tuwajibike, imarike. Tuwajibike na imarike. Umoja wetu ndio nguvu yetu au nguzo yetu, idumu jumuiya yetu. Tumeweka maneno haya kwenye wimbo wetu ili tuwe sehemu, kudumu kwa jumuiya yetu iwe sehemu ya kufikia Afrika tunayoitaka.
Tokwirana se county ya Kisii bungeni ya South Mugirango hasensemo yetago chiduka nigo abamenye boigo habonchurira banyarko bagwesoke na gukwanira embure nyinge yogendeta kwene kibwa chinsemo ao yo yairire asara yose yaretire asara enen hasibanyarko bagukwanira igoro yembure yaene kibwa butko bokera lit kuregoro na goteba bunani go babaleire asara enen na kubatkana mone nibo yabo kunyarko bake gusaribwa Gento bono baebolire serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii amona barayikorose kaunti ya Kisii kweneke bunango baikabarange na korwa gusira kwa benerinde kunyaraka bakwiranira obunchurira bwabo bunagutomanya omusakeito Apollinaire Sakama oyo koleta rugwikasi chinseme cyo na gutwaliganira robocho rwa senchera yoboikirana
Kupatikana nembure nyinge yogenderete kwene kigwa asalira balyagusi nikabamenyi betago chiduka iyo kutoka sebunge ya South Mugirango bagenderete kubarasare nyinge yenibo neye maega yembure nyinge kwene kigutwa chinseme cyo chinsaisatu chubutuko weigoro
Marieta nkoro kucheni morao nyanja egaswa nyumba ekaire bintu mete yaso ekaire bintu byana kuri nyumba pake bikoro de binatigete nyumba nse Egaswa potiki ya senko ni karusi chiange kaira
asa Marieta ride nyaboka abuya amacha ansaleti simiti che kwagache nyumba chenge nyumba 40 egansalia masipandu rusatu esukali chiguni ibere kira 50 na moya 3 kira 50 echiasa le joko ya kunaigabuga buno bwanga
Giresie munyambweke nabo keroto gwake sabu na bichiete fona gento erubu 400 na 500
Ndoje chibesa chinyinge chetantiwe taniri 200
abamenya bonigo bamenya tano bwoba bwokoirwa na mache asekone kigobune kitareke kolege tangani gokorekana
Rembure yato chandira matuka mange go swa nyumba liyo kagerengaki ntuntu amenyere timorembe kerembure go chaka gotu nigo togo twaro bwo bantu likorara litukubune limo isonde ntuntu ararete nyumba otwatenete mpaka mambe bogakipi
Macha ino abere tega bugo igora tukaria bantu tokore gasiri tukuri gima konyarusi ayande nbono moro mambetenya kora kurusi Wanto saba onye musadororo tonyaro ko yagare bintu byetu byasegete binde to sabete kironi byasegete masiasegete ntoko nyargo bikonya bono kenenge turanyara gukora
negento kirire gatia bamenya bukorigyo bomenyo gwechingaki asechi amate chiabo
Nonya situanganyite ko chitwa kanyumba no tobegete igantora nyoro byo moiro tatetina nasukira abana nasukiria abana bana ninchumora arabere rororo sababu konyentora abeka na impurani yo kunganya nkanganya na abana ninde na abana batatu ono no tuigamire tabwa sestirani yata kanyumba iga no tuigamire tentora nyora stoko menya buya
Bono kubole ko bamenya bayigocha serikali no kubarosire metaremia yo gwetia mache nabayigo kubakonya kibesa cyugo cya kibiasara ikiagera nigo bayimugeti kironi kwigorere biasara ebyo
Kurugor to teni negasi mbono tuwajaga to teni nasegasi tokonya kwe upore lakini gokonya ngoyo to ndrara gokonya konde ne numwajire ga igotorora togosaba asogwanja kweno motokonya simuranyare
Ono tugusabaga kimotokonya gekwagera bono turi itinga kiechi tutegemete chironi bono muna tutegemete chironi itukungangana rituko tutari konyora barabu mbatagete muna bono mambi mbata katuikaranse geka tuakane chibesechi bono echi tutanyore bwango iga twataka bagambi batokonya serikali atokonya tuyagache bwango na koirwanirira twakana abanyene chironi
Ko ripota ya Kisii TV kurwase wodi ya chitago borobwe bunge ya South Mugirango nchire tariana na Apollinaire Sakama
Biamono sana Apollinaire Sakama kurwase bunge yo ya South Mugirango hanani mono gutwariganira robocho rigoro yembure nyinge yegandata kwene kibwa ase orogongo rwa gusibo igone chinsemo ao usikabusio chinga kia serikali kubatira namo ne wizara yobocheno agendata gwesoke na kubolia bakenya kwenekya bunangweri kya bada somoro beri omuyabu bwena osha use Social Health Authority boigoni gomo women rapwe county ya Nyamira omusikeje rusha momanyi neranya kwa kawesoke na kubolia bananchi korwa se county ya Nyamira kwenekya bunangwesoke baliri tuko ucha serinde na kwenekya bunangweri kya bada somoro beri osha bunenjere ya mojo kwenyorra obwenya anigachire boigo chinga kyo muraibensi ya Kenya Dr. William Samuel Ruto hagendrete gwakira omurobiri oyu muyabo bwenya osha na guteba bunaniga serikali bwatekerenge kya guchasi abakenya boigo mu Kenya onde bwensi guchakira mu Kenya bwokonyora wense nabo entanyara kwa kagwesokia na kwerikia somurobiri osha bunenjere ya mojo kwenyorra obwenya na boigo kwenekya mna mu Kenya uyura chikosinyogwa kanra omurobiri oyu muyabo bwenya sha nigo serikali irachikoimukia gitambukiro na kwenekya bunango mwaka nerere enibeyo
kila mmoja vile mlisikia chifu wetu akiongea hapa, mkienda mregister hiyo afya ambayo inaitwa SHA, kwa sababu itakuja kusaidia wale ambao hawajiwezi, wale ambao hawana pesa. Hiyo SHA ukiregister na ukienda hospitali utatibiwa bure. Kwa hivyo hakuna mtu mwenye hatataka kuenda hospitali atibiwe bure. Na ujui utakuwa mgonjwa siku gani. Ninataka niwaombe please, mkiona wale tunaita wale wanapita manyumba wanaitwaje? Community health workers. Wakipita katika vijiji na manyumba yenu, muwe tayari muwapatie all the information ambao wanataka. Hiyo inapelekwa kwa serikali ili iende kusaidia kujua wewe uko wapi, ukipata shida utaweza tibiwa namna gani. Kwa hivyo nyinyi nyote nataka niwaombee mazuri, Mungu awalinde, Mungu aendelee kuwa na nyinyi, na mjue ya kwamba mama yenu anawapenda, mama Cherusha. Mama huyu ni mama wa nguvu, ni mama anapenda kazi, tutaenda kutembea pamoja. Na mama itabana wewe tunyaruka ije mbalendete. Imaiga maji bana na leta tachisani taritago linochire. Mnachikuta kwa era na ndio mtendea tete. Ono ndio alikimota itakuwa somo ngala.
Nomogoko guchase abor kibwabe University ya Moi ye maiga ye University kunyana kwake kuiranira amasomo abo guchakira litko lya Jumatatu eki eremambya yankolengana mo no mugiro yo nyara kwago kwene kiwasige ka kemeti yenye etano nebere bono weka omweri omaiga yabakoli emeremo anermono kurase kyombo kya wasu kunyana kwa kubekese ili okuiwana amo ne wizara yetsemi wetero mwaziri wetsemi Julius Migoso Gamba na kweneke abu na bono nigwe serikali rach kweneke ngangu ikiraniere amagani yabo ayu agerete warubukunyara kwa bakobera asomogiro asigeka kemetienye etano ebere bono asaboigo no enabo abakoli mermwase university yo banyara kwa bakwaligania okwo igwanoko na guteba munani go barachi gokora kende gyonsi na kweneke abuna abor kibwa baikereire amasomo kubatkana mone chinga kechi banyara kwa bagusira segeke kemetienye etano nebere babertesko.
And to declare that the strike is over. I want to impress upon dons of this university to report to work on Monday. And let us work on an acceptable program to cover the lost time. And to the management, we have signed an agreement here. Kindly honor the agreement.
I am both pleased and relieved that we are finally here and we have signed the return to work formula. The instrument that we are signing today will facilitate the resumption of operations at our university. It will mark the end of months of industrial action that had paralyzed this institution.
We will do our best to recover the time lost, to make sure that these students qualify the way they should.
We will do even the impossible to make sure that normalcy resumes.
Hayo kagendrete ni gobono abanyagitari abateresa banyarko bagwesokia na kugikiria umurubiri omuya bubwena Social Health Authority yenkubatikana gosenkubatirana na mone serikali gutaine kyabuna ki nyagitari cyabanyene gutwara kire anene mono obakoreri obubwasha ase nyagitari cy'ubunencyera mu yogwancyera abananchi kinga bawikirana ase nyagitari cyabanyene kunyarko bagutumika umurubiri umuya bubwenya osha no naboni kubanyarko bakugikira na kogosereria na goteba munani go barachi kogenda umugiro mutindi ucyakira stariki emeronge bere na isato cy'umutienyo gocha munencyera ye mujokoro kya gutaisaneka kwabo amuno umurubiri yosha gutekerana ase nyagitari cyabanyene na goteba munani go abakenya abange gusenamba y'abakenya abange bawikirana ase nyagitari cyabanyene ko ligyo bubwenya kurende omorobero yosha tururanya kuba ko wikirana usegwanchirwa gukora ase nyagitari cyo cyabanyene.
I want to ask the President, especially the Chair of the Social Health Authority, Dr. Abdi, who has shown to be very partisan and who cannot be able to differentiate between his cadre and cadre politics and ensuring that we achieve the universal health coverage. We want to ask the President to sack him and to sack those people in SHA that are extending this exclusion and discrimination and that are stopping the government of William Samoei Ruto from being able to ensure that they roll out UHC. The union, our advisory council sat yesterday and directed us that if in the next 3 weeks this discrimination and exclusion under SHA is not going to be resolved, on 23rd of December, clinic officers, all of us, shall be downing our tools. Because if they feel that they do not need our services, we can allow them to work with the people they feel that they should be able to work with. And I want to ask the President that we as Kenyans, we heard you when you told us that you wanted social health insurance to ensure that we are able to, for the first time, have success of UHC. We believed you. But the people that you have put in place under the SHA board to be able to implement the same are letting you down. Because the President said that we are leaving no Kenyan behind. But what we are seeing coming from the board is exclusion of clinic officers, exclusion from contracting the facilities owned by clinic officers and registered by the Clinic Officers Council. And each and every other Monday, we shall be on the streets demonstrating, and we shall ensure that those people who are hindering the rollout of universal health coverage through SHA by taking their selfish interests to Social Health Authority are removed from Social Health Authority, because Social Health Authority is a social health insurance, and it's meant to ensure that every Kenyan, wherever they are able to access services. We have engaged the chair, we have engaged all of them, and they seem to be very partisan. We will continue calling for their sacking if they cannot be able to remedy the situation and ensure that Kenyans benefit from the money they are contributing and from the social health insurance that was put in place to ensure that they can be able to access these services.
Tokwirana sense meli ya siasa umwanchomo rigereria ukisi TV ni gobono habarai kurwa sense mo ya South Rift banyariko bagwesokia na kugikere uyo kabeire omokonyi bo muraibensi ya Kenya Rigathi Gachagua haso kugenda gweswanania amone serikali ya Kenya kwanza insi oburai bwa Dr. William Samoei Ruto ukwanekerekyo ni gobono baganiri gashagwa kwenekyo munachinga kya gwikirana emesangerekane ndi yonsi tarukinyara kubaka gukwanira abakoreri bonde bwonsi bwa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asebo igobambo boringanira byanyara kubaka gutigaranga elinde ligotumukana kubwatuka emirobero ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asikeri bunani go anyatko baka kurusibwa ekiroge kyo bunomokonyi bo muraibense ya Kenya igona kubori bwa harwe chinga kinyororo gochiase Dr. William Samoei Ruto kwenekyo bunanko kolera aba Kenya amagendero
Wacha Rikichi akae nyumbani. And if he wants to go to functions, aenda atulie. Hii maneno mingi analeta, anatusumbua sio individually, analeta shida kwa wananchi. Tunamwambia Rikichi kaa nyumbani, fanya kazi yako. Unajua vile watu wengine wanatakikana wakae.
Mimi najiuliza hii imekuwa demokrasia gani ambaye rais amechaguliwa hata miaka 2 imekamilika tu, lakini ukipata watu kukosoa na kusema hii ijakuwa ile ijafanyika, si aliomba kura ya miaka 5. Patia yeye nafasi kufikia wakati miaka 5 itaisha tukuje tusaishe kazi yake.
Investment at the moment in agriculture in our country is close to 3 or 4%. If we make it 10% as per the Maputo Declaration, then we are sure the economy of this country will increase by several times.
Chingakie serikali habarai au boigo habasubati bagendete kunyara kwa baweso kiana kwenekya munachisegi chegenka ngotugutua gosetya tuguteirware abara yabasubati kurwasi county ya Laikipia na waroni gobanyar kwa baweso kiana kukwanira chinjira au ichu abanenchi bagendete kunyara kwa bakubwatirana na barai boigo bitabo byo burendi kwenekinga chisegi chegenga gose gender based violence ya nyara kwa bagya kwaera okwana ekerekyo no naboni go babolire abantu kwenekya bunachinga kibatwarerio mana kokarabali chinkwana cha nyomba nderi kwenekinga ebikole byabasubati gusiria magima basenjira yobo tutukano kubatikana mone tsegi cha nyomba nchiri kunyara kwa bachiko enekibwa kwenyuri mwancho morigereria ene chingaki anene mono amatuko 15 nerimo agenda tukunyara kwa bagawikirani bwa gusikobe kwensemo bunenjire ya moyo kwenyurania boigo gukwanira na gutugutirare chisegi chege nga gose gender based violence boigo kwenyuringa ase county ya Kisii yanyara kwa bagekorikia ebikole binge byabasubati bakunyara kwa bakubwatirani bwa ase chisegi chegenga.
Kumekuwa pia na visa vingi sana vya watu haswa vijana wa umri wa makamu kujitia kitanzi, na kama kina mama haitoshi tu kuketi chini na kulaumu ama kunyoosha vidole vya lawama ama kupiga kelele, lakini tumejiunga kama kina mama kujiuliza ni wapi tumekosea, ni nini tunaweza fanya ili tuweze kusaidia vizazi vyetu, ili tuweze kusaidia watoto wetu. Kwa hivyo leo ilikuwa ni siku tu tumekutana ili tuweze kuweka akili zetu pamoja, manake ukiangalia tuko na wamama ambaye wengine pia ni wataalamu wa maneno za saikolojia.
Tunataka tuseme ya kwamba tuko na ile program ambao tunaita Vijana Twaweza, a wholesome youth for a wholesome society. Tungependa kuuliza watu ambao wako katika dini na viongozi wa dini waendelee kutengeneza zile desk katika makanisa ambao yatafanya counseling kwa watoto wetu wa kiume na wasichana, ili wakati wanakuja katika relationship iweze kuangaliwa kwa upana. Na kwa hivyo
with the now where we are, we really don't want to go back into the past, but we really want to dwell on the cases that are happening of femicide. And when we speak gender-based violence, remember, we are thinking issues of rape, we are thinking issues of assault, we are thinking issues of gender violence, and we want to have our families prevail in preaching peace and in actually ensuring that mental wellness. Being a psychologist myself, I know most of it is beginning mainly from the childhood trauma.
Tukwirana sensemiri yetsemi kubwatikana hamono anenomono ne kiombe gitenrete amatemu imense ya Kenya kiane koimukie gitambokero na kubatenenia abarimu gucia kumakia matemwa neno muno abarimu abarweta chisukuru ekyo kyabwateranitiwe asobeberi bwa matemwa manena KCSE ningana yagendere kunyara kubagie kugikeribwa amone byombe ao byabarimu abwase kyombe kyabarimu gya kupeti na banyar kwa baweso kyana kugikeria engane yo na goteba bunani go engane yabeire yobosoku hanene muno guciase abarimu abo yemaiga ya marieta abo kunyara kubaga kurusibwa ase liste ase bali barenge gucinga kwa bakumakia matemwa manena KCSE kubatikana bunani skuru cyabo nigo cia swananeti amono bwiberi bonde bwensi bwa matemwa yu manena KCSE ase bono baganire neke kunyara kubage ko mukige tambukiro gyo kurikali ukoli morioka yoko eneke buna abarimu abo marieta abo arusiti bwaroro ko irani bware ase liste yo na ko eneke buna nkwenda bali kumakia matemwa ya manena KCSE.
As a union, we are saying that the process of exclusion of teachers from marking without proper communication creates a sense of injustice and undermines the integrity of the marking process. This action has demoralized our members and caused damage to the professional reputation of our teachers. And as a union, we demand full disclosure and absolute transparency in the process, including clear, timely, and unequivocal communication regarding teachers' eligibility as examiners, teachers' eligibility to continue with that marking exercise. We demand a fair hearing or an opportunity for our teachers to contest exclusion from these marking centers. You cannot be hounded in a barbaric manner like a common criminal, and you are not given an opportunity to understand why you are being excluded and also be given an opportunity to seek inclusion after explaining yourself or giving a clarification. We also demand a compensation to the teachers for the costs that they incurred and the damage, the professional damage to their reputation that they have undergone as a result of this. Nobody will look at them in the same way. And I'm not ruling out a possibility of we as a branch petitioning our National Executive Board to sue the Kenya National Examination Council on account of what they have taken our members through without investigation, without a hearing, and without any fairness. From CI, we are talking about more than 20 teachers.
It's very humiliating to our teachers who have sacrificed their time and resources training to mark those exams and taking their time to arrive at those stations, and all of a sudden they are told to go back home under the pretext that the schools from where they come could have participated in examination irregularity, which is not the case, because at the time NEC exams were going on, we were in this county. We were moving up and down, and there was no reported incident of cheating in any of the schools whose teachers have now been stopped from marking. And even if there was there could have been cases of cheating in the a few schools that have been mentioned, it would have been right for NEC to do proper investigation and pinpoint the exact teachers, the actual teachers who are implicated in the exercise.
Abanyanyimbo anena muno korwa se county ya Kisii nigo babeka byara enyasole yechiguninye eju isaine chi milioni inye nugutaibere una akoenekea omo police commandant nrasi county ya Kisii Julius Isaac Kimwele asanya kwa kagoteba buna egari yo yabugoretie enyasole yo ase pale nene ya Kisii Sibania nigo yanya kwa ke gotema gutama anas kulende asibanya kwa ba konyemyekia na maiga yaje banya kwa ba konyebeka byara asensemo ya gisonso no inaboni go monteraba oyo renga korundia egari yo hagendete gutangwa sigeta sendi kyabanyanyimbo chingaki obotuki bwacha kibwe igoro yenyasori yo aseboge kurege tindi kyaruro cia sonde bwensi orach kubekwa byara gakonia mariogo yo gotinda na oteba munege tambukire gitindi nigo kirach komonyora.
was heading to Kisii. Our officers swung into action and they intercepted the motor vehicle around Kesonzo area. They managed to arrest one occupant who was the driver, and they recovered from there inside the vehicle. They recovered 4 bags of cannabis sativa or mbangi, weighing 148 kilograms of a street value of 4.29 million. The accused is in custody, pending to be arraigned before court.
Wikira vano mwancho morgerero Kisii TV nongo butoraya atikire a weekend chinsa isatu asenchera jobo ikirana muna butambe ngwa kirambya munasa kwenda uchora kurigera Kisii TV ya mandegere na yomo gusi turi mega tukomanye tokosemye boyigo tokogoki omurgerero Kisii TV ntari kube babasaki baito bamangana maya kurwase county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira boyigo ne chinsemo chinda kwene kingaba ikiranira sebinyoro au chibunge chiwode kunyara kwa bago sangiriria yonse na gutwikiria SMS yaito yoboraria director Elvis Manyara soko ene kinga kwa nyanyorra senchira yobo ikirana kuna butambe nche nkoro kwa leader mura byamona sana soko bana nche guchakira litukoria Jumatatu goikari tukeliga tomrane litukoria Jumatatu nyasaye kagoncha bye bye otukobia
aya na yatekire chinga kiechi ime ya Kisii TV.